It's time for another Bullet Point Bulletin sponsored by CoreX Legal. With offices in Tampa and San Francisco, CoreX Legal provides full-spectrum legal services to entrepreneurs, startups, and technology companies of all sizes. MoonPay, a leading platform of fiat on-ramp solutions for the crypto industry, announced it will be working with Time to provide its customers with a seamless way to purchase TIMEPieces NFT collections using credit cards. Launched in March 2021, TIMEPieces is the Web3 community initiative from Time that has grown to over 150 artists and over 60,000 collectors and community members. The community dropped the first ever readable magazine on the blockchain. This partnership comes at a time when the market for digital collectibles is booming, following the steps of Twitter, Instagram, Reddit's avatars, and Starbucks Odyssey, as big brands are looking for ways to engage with consumers in the Web3 space. Keith Grossman, former president of Time, who officially joined MoonPay in January as president of Enterprise, is thrilled to be able to help an organization he cares deeply about succeed in its endeavors in the Web3 space. In addition to providing its fiat on-ramp solution, MoonPay is also in discussions to support their needs for enterprise-ready smart contracts with HyperMint, a MoonPay product that enables non-crypto customers to enjoy a seamless checkout via debit or credit card. Time is a textbook case study on how a brand can use Web3 technology to build a more meaningful, contextual, and curated experience to members of its community. We are excited at MoonPay to help TIMEPieces initiative with robust and scalable smart contracts and payments infrastructure, said Ivan Soto-Wright, the CEO and co-founder of MoonPay. Thanks again to our sponsor, CoreX Legal, providing full-spectrum legal services to entrepreneurs, startups, and technology companies of all sizes.